Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, headquartered in Wasbeck, Germany. Today we present the Servoturn 410 NC Precision Lathe. This machine is characterized by the highly intelligent operation of a conventional machine with CNC functions. Highlights include intelligent handling by system integration of the controls, CNC functions including turning cone and radius, precision with CNC technology servo motors and ball screws. Wide hardened and ground guideways guarantee the best turning results and durability. The heavy headstock is equipped with a large spindle which is guided in two heavy-duty tapered roller bearings and a deep groove ball bearing. Operated via electronic hand wheels, axes are powered by high-quality servo drives that translate your hand movements with the precision and dynamics of modern CNC machines. The large color touchscreen allows easy operation and clearly shows the selected processing. Feed, thread types and contours may be selected electronically using the rotary switch on the headstock, a simple and effective solution. The values for the travel paths, feed speeds and thread pitches are entered on the control via the touchscreen. In addition to standard machining with extensive thread options, cones and radii can also be machined. Flexible production without programming not only has advantages in one-off production, but may also be an economical alternative for fast implementation of small series. In contrast to conventional machine tools, servo-conventional machines offer support through the latest CNC technology. At KNUTH, we offer a variety of servo-conventional machines. Get advice from our experts and make an appointment today.